Hi, this is Mark with ValueCharts.com. We are looking at an interesting setup here in the gold market where the gold market has essentially sold off several days ago. It had a massive sell-off when it broke a uptrend line on the 28th. And then again today, there was a little intraday trend line here that the market broke again and sold off aggressively downward as well. We've now tested the significantly undervalued area, and we're looking at a potential higher indicator reading here on the MQ momentum. So this is a type of signal that could possibly be a potential buy signal here with, or a buy setup here. And there again, what I would do is I would make sure you use the tight stop here, and make sure that you use possibly a trading system maybe based on momentum that's drill down from the 120-minute time frame. So it could even be like a 5-minute system or a 15-minute system here based on momentum. But this is the type of value launch point setup that we want to look for, where we have the indicator confirmation so far below and we still have the significantly undervalued price level we're coming out of here. So we'll see where this market heads longer term, but certainly this is a noteworthy launch point here, and we're trying in terms of a potential buy signal here using drill down strategies. But this is the type of thing you want to just keep an eye out for as you're trading the markets. And also another thing to look for would be a possible breaking up of the high of this current price bar on the 120-minute basis. That could be a possible strategy as well. Although again, with that, what I like to do is drill down, even to a smaller time frame than 120 minutes. So 60-minute would also work fairly well, or 30-minute as well. So that could be a possible entry strategy. Or for those of you who are a little braver, you could just buy, when you see an intraday, maybe a 5-bar bullish divergence within the context of the significantly undervalued level here, the lower red. Now, there was no buy signal over here when the market sold off previously, because that broke a trend line, and that was systems selling off, systems kicking the gear on the downside. That was also stops being hit, and just everything kind of snowballed here to force this market lower. That is not a buy signal just because it's trading in significantly undervalued here. And also notice that our momentum indicator as well is not higher, it's lower. So you've got the kind of the previous low here, and then you have the next value here when the sell-off's taken place. So we have a lower value there, so we don't have the indicator confirmation that we have right now. So right now we have the previous low, if you will, in the indicator line, which is the blue line for the MQ momentum. And then also the histogram here is potentially higher as well than the previous histogram. So these combined together oftentimes can be powerful in detecting those value launch points. That's all we have for this video. We'll keep on watching the gold market. Longer term, we expect a massive 60-year cycle low, as we've said before, in November in the commodities. And because of this, we are looking with a slight slant towards being bullish in the commodities longer term, but we also want to see the confirming technical analysis as well. And that's really what we're looking for. And then beyond that, once we have the confirming technical analysis to help form a solid outlook, we are then looking for the timing element. And that's where we look at the value launch points. We could look at momentum indicators to manage our trades and different things like that as well. That's all we have for this video. Thanks for watching.